Have you tasted this meal before? This is a combination of Fio-fio and Abacha. In my husband's place, they call it Agbugbu. So a quick story on how I got to know about this meal. I'm from Anambra State. Both my parents are from Anambra as well. But I got married to an Enugu man. Now, the first time I got to know about this meal was one time when my husband and I went to visit my mom-in-law. Now, in Anambra, to the best of my knowledge, we have Fio-fio and yam as a meal, and we also have Abacha as a different meal. But having to combine both is something I only got to know of when I got married. So I started by parboiling the Fio-fio and sieving out the water. Then I poured it back into the pot and allowed it to cook till it's soft or tender. Then the next thing I did was to soak my abacha with warm water for just few seconds. Once the abacha got soft, I sieved out the water and then set it aside. Now it's time to assemble the whole thing together. I added some palm oil to a dry pot. I added some onions and fresh peppers. I fried it for just 1 minute. Then I added some salt and some seasoning cubes. I mixed everything thoroughly and I proceeded to introduce the cooked fio into the oil mixture. Now I mixed it thoroughly and then I added my abacha into the mixture. Just like that, your food is ready. Tasted so good and my people thoroughly enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.